when you're doing hand embroidery, how long should you cut your thread? Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, embroidery, and embroidery. So I've met people and I've taught classes where people want to use a long embroidery thread. And the reason why they want to do that is because it's hard to thread the needle and it's hard to tie a knot. And so logically, if you have a long thread, then you don't have to thread the needle as often and you don't have to tie a knot as often. But I don't recommend that. I recommend, if you're going to be doing embroidery, keep your thread between 12 and 18 inches. And if you're looking for a reference point, that's usually between your fingers and your elbow. That's a good length to use. And why wouldn't you want to use a longer one? Well, a longer thread could become a problem because every time you stitch through the fabric, then your thread gets a little bit worn from being pulled through the fabric. And so if you have a long thread, your thread at the beginning where you start stitching is going to be smooth and shiny and look really nice. And your thread, by the time you get to the end of the stitch, it might be worn, it might be looking a little bit rough. And so you might see differences in how it looks, especially if you're using something like pearl cotton. Then the other thing is, the longer it is, the more likely it is that you're going to get tangles and knots. As you're stitching, often you'll be twisting your thread and it will knot up and get tangled, and that can be very frustrating. So keeping a shorter thread will avoid that. Now, there are some exceptions. There are times you might want to have a long piece of thread. If I was doing big stitch quilting on a quilt, I might use longer threads than that. That's personal choice, and I would be prepared to deal with any knots or tangles that come up as I'm stitching. If you're using some specialty threads, you might want your threads to be even shorter. If they're really delicate and fragile and stitching will cause damage to the thread, then you might want to go shorter. So there are exceptions to that rule, exceptions for longer and shorter threads, but as a general guide, 12 to 18 inches is what you want to have. For more embroidery tips and tutorials, you can check out my website, epidastudio.com.